Deutsche Bank online banking. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can actually use Deutsche Bank online banking, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To use your Deutsche Bank online banking, first of all you have to come to the official website, which is db.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. When you go to db.com, you can see this type of interface. Now tap on the three lines option from the top left hand side. Then you'll find this little option here that says client logins. So just tap on this little client login option as you would be able to find here. Then once you go to the client login tab, you can see online banking for Germany, Belgium, India, Italy. Again, Italy, Spain and X markets, right? So depending upon which country you're trying to log into your online banking for, if it's Germany, select the Germany client. It will take you to the Deutsche Bank Germany's website. Then all you have to do is simply make sure to basically log into your online banking account as you would be able to find here. You can just go ahead and then make sure to enter your your financial status, enter your branch, your account number, and then just click on the execute login option and you'll be able to log in. Similarly, if it's for some other region such as let's say India, you can select that as well, and then you'll be able to log into your online banking respectively. This way you can go ahead and then finish signing up or creating your Deutsche Bank online banking. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.